we do that, and so like and so we visited over 50 big global companies biomechanics labs system, and there's a New Balance. This is directly is Leadership Hub, and there's also New Balance is that is a very big facility last year as a day train, and Martin Shelton is also important, and there was Kimby Blaze at MIT. Now he changed the job, and but at the time he working in the MIT, and so this year is co-director system is they got it, so because Nike's they just doing it one director, but now they got is co-director. One is Java Pishota, another one is McNurse, and then so. This summer, we talked about what is should prepare biomechanics the direction, and then so this morning I joined this what is biomechanics area review, and then so I believe we'll have a big opportunity, the challenge for the should biomechanics network, and so we have to know each other more than. And then so also, as I said, I regulated until now just I cooperate with Canada, America, European countries, and then so with China, Hong Kong, Taiwan, Japan, and Singapore. It's a more important human network. And so thank you very much for your competition and then so participants. Thank you.
Any comments to the audience? Yeah, actually, I think also, yeah, go ahead.
This is from National Taiwan University. I'm expecting you introduce the barefoot running shoes in Korea, because I know there's a distributor of Five Fingers running shoes.
Yes. Yeah.
And I'm curious, what you guys are doing is to reduce the impact force, that so that we can reduce the injury. But how about, what's your opinion on the barefoot running?
Barefoot running.
Yeah.
You know, it's this January nature.
Yeah. Yes, different.
Yeah. Everybody
knows this barefoot running is being a review, and then so you know it's a Crocs brand, and then so when Crocs invented and there's development, everybody said improve wear the Crocs, don't learn it. But now I heard about some marathon runners, especially in United States. Now is when the marathon, especially mountain orientation, they wear the Crocs. Then now is winner is wear the Crocs, and then so everybody is surprised, and then so means Five Fingers. You know, it's now is they at first is just they start one factory. But last year they have 5 different manufacturers. It means consumers they love these 5 fingers, and so they got over 10 biomechanical test review, and then so this year the CEO of 5 fingers visited Korea, and then so individually. I believe is this kind of concepts is doing very quickly growing with working concept, and then so I think this is a very nice concept, because market is very important. The markets they got is decided is very nice concept. We are researcher, and so we have to check in the scientific area. But across the markets, they decided it's very nice. And so now it's individually. I'm one of consumer, and I think it's very nice.
Yeah, I think there's always a debate between the lightweight, the 5 fingers shoes, and the regular sportswear. Actually, if you look up, we just type the nature running on the YouTube, you can find out there are many research against this natural workings. He said it depends, it's a concept maybe not right. Depends on your culture of running. Sorry.
Thank you, Dr. Park. I have been to Busan, but instead I only eat a very small taco. Move in my mouth. Yeah. And I have one question. I want to know, can you introduce the cooperation mode between you and the manufacturer? Is the manufacturer ask you to do some research activate, or you have to promote your research to the manufacturer?
Okay, that means, what's your relationship between the centers and the major Korean or the other manufacturers? How you promote your center and how the center, how the manufacturer will give you the shoes, the projects?
There are 3 different points. At first, we have a government research fund, very big size, big money, and so we support using this government research fund. We support, but we have to select what is the good company, good technology, and so we review that person with the community, and so companies they try to submit this technology, and so we selected this technology. We did outside the professional review with the bursary, in domestic and international bursary. We selected every year, and so we cooperate with the outside institute and our domestic area. And the second is automatically as the companies they cast with the companies are listed amount, and thirdly, and so half companies they support the half pound, and we support the half a pound, and so we make a research fund. And so whenever we got a very good researcher, we have to have a research fund. This dependent research fund is mountain, and so we cooperate with each other company. Before is just the research fund is a little bit. I couldn't handling it because now this fund is a very big size, and so we check with the review and so.
他那个change the trends， 它跟以前那个协计中心的做法事实上是一样的，就是说公司跟那个他们的那个 center 各付50%，然后去做那个研究。那比较不一样的是，台湾的那个经济部的钱最多是500万，但是呢，他们的钱呢是可以有到100万美金，可以到1000万，OK， 所以那个钱其实差很多。那另外有一个像比较有名的像 Message 就是 MBT 的 shoes， 很多人以为是欧洲的，其实是韩国货。所以你早期看 MBT 的那个 research，OK，I'm just mentioning the Message. The Message was launched in 1999. Many people thought it's a European brand, actually it's Korean brand. Okay, and if you survey the website, you can find out the initial pen papers is from Korea, but it's from hospital. Okay, many for arthritis and also for the diabetic. So the first pen paper is from Korean researchers. That's how they launch it. So many people thought if you go to the Europe, the average pair of price, the MBT is around 600 euros, 400 to 600 euros. The price in Taiwan is around 25,000 per pair. Of course, if you go on internet, China now has some copies, very cheap. Okay, it's around you can have like 10,000 or 7,000 you can get a pairs. But the average price, there's one chain store just in 10 areas. because you know 20,000 a pair. So they just started, but I'm really surprised, just for 7 years, the Korean have done so well in footwear biomechanics. Actually, before that, they come to Taiwan, Taichung, 协技中心, the footwear design promotion center in Taichung. They have many ideas coming from there, but actually now, Taichung 协技中心 no more shoe design, no more shoe promotions. Okay, that has been the yesterday. But you can really see Busan now is for the futures. Okay. So any other comments or questions? Yes, Dr. Seung.
Yes. Thank you very much for your very good speech. I'm Dr Seung from National Taiwan Normal University. And thank you for providing us a very promising future vision for this country in Asia. And I believe there are many scholars from China and Hong Kong. We can all make a very...
Yeah, we will be the next on your list.
We will make a good research and even a good footwear for the future. I have a question. We all know that biomechanics is very useful for those companies with brand or ODM companies. But what do you think what biomechanics can do for those companies who only do the OEM or only manufacture?
OEM. Yeah, relative to OEM, in Busan is, for example, we have 5 big Nike OEM manufacturing companies in here. Taiwan is one of the biggest Nike OEM manufacturers. It's called T2 in Nike. T2 have a project with us in an FEM area, especially it's success region. Success region is vertically. They didn't know how is used between prototype sample and the mass product, and then so we used the FEM system, and so before test manufacturing and the mass production system. And so we used the simulation with the University of Mechanical Engineering professional. And then so with the OEM, and then so because the Nike system is changed, including global, everything is changed. And then so now it's inside they got it's a biomechanical research area. But now it's Nike, they request to the OEM manufacturing factory, you have to understand the biomechanics, including FEM. Also in the Pouchan have an FEM system. And then so, Lenin also several years ago, recruiting Jason, like is using FEM. But OEM is OEM product, we have to focus just now in Korean FEM. And then so, mostly, if it's a Nike system, it's Nike or Adidas system, if OEM factory have a biomechanical test result, and there's they got a meeting with this biomechanical tester. Also in Nike side, also they got a test result, but also OEM factory they have a result they discussed, because we know that. Human being is not perfect. Also, inside the data is not perfect. Whenever I have a change in the subject, data is changed. And then so, the more subject is more, the more data is not data is perfect will be. And then so, OEM factory data is internet is biomechanics, especially across data, FEM.
Okay, because the time we have to close the sections, so. We had to come back by, maybe 11:45. Okay, 15 minutes. Before that, okay, on behalf of the